Hi and welcome back. We've just bought this 1.6 Mini 1 from auction. The 1 means that it's a low insurance group car, so despite being a 1.6 it's detuned for low insurance. So somebody's tried to make it a bit more sporty with dechroming the lights, this rather poor grille off a Cooper S. They've had a bit of fun at the back. They've kind of glued on a spoiler and it looks really crappy, to be honest, and these were missing, so we had to find some lights for it. Basically they tried to fit these, which are very nice, but they couldn't get them to work, so they'd rewired the loom. We fixed it now, but anyway, we've had an idea. We thought we'd actually complete the journey this car is on and make it look like a Cooper S, a proper one. So we've got a Cooper S spoiler there, got this Cooper S exhaust, a Cooper S rear bumper and a Cooper S bonnet. So we thought we'd make a fake Cooper S. Hopefully a young lad will like the fact that it's low insurance group but looks the part. We're also going to put some 17-inch rims on it, so when we're done this actually should look quite nice. So if you're interested in what we've bought, have a look at this. So this was the report that we got from the auction house, and you can see it's got a good history, it's got nice miles. I'll show you the pictures a bit more closely in a minute, and we've got mostly a good report. We'll obviously check out the engine ourselves, and a fairly reasonable MOT. Now the pictures that were sent over from Mannheim were these, so you can see that nothing particularly surprising there. You've seen that in the flesh. Now what we found was the rear lights were missing, and in the boot were these LED ones which obviously didn't work properly. So that's what we bought. That's how it came to us. Got so far. We fitted the exhaust and we fitted this Cooper S bumper. But for those of you who know your Minis, you'll spot this is the wrong bumper for the facelift car. And so actually we fitted the incorrect lights in it. Those lights are from a pre-facelift car, and what we should be fitting are these. So we'll have to change them. Now the difference is the reversing lights in there are not in there. That also means we've got to change the bumper. So I've got an LCI bumper on order, and we'll get that on, get it fitted, get it sprayed. The spoiler, which is black, and to match it we're going to do the roof black. So fitted the 17-inch rims, that makes a big difference to the car, and we fitted the bonnet. Now with the bonnet we've also fitted a genuine Cooper S grille, but if you look here, that shape of that doesn't fit the bumper. So we're actually going to fit this Cooper S bumper with the grille that matches as well, and get it sprayed up. And I'm really looking forward to seeing this in the flesh when it's done. So when it's done, black roof, black spoiler, black wheels, and obviously red everything else. And then to finish it off, we're going to put these Cooper S side trims on. So we're in the Ginger Monkey's body shop, and here's our fake Cooper S. So the Ginger Monkey himself coming in a minute, but he's prepping the roof to be sprayed black. I'll let him tell you more.
Okay. Hi, I'm Daz from the Ginger Monkeys body shop. We're doing a Mini here for the Mini Specialist. As you can see, we've just masked it all off ready for priming, and we're going to paint it totally black. After that we're going to just finish it off with a nice coat of lacquer, dry it all off, polish it, unveil it, put it all back together, and then we'll see where we are with that.
Progress on our fake Cooper S. This is the bonnet being prepped there. This is the Cooper S facelift bumper being prepped, the one we had to buy in, and then we've got the Cooper S front bumper being prepped. So tomorrow I'm hoping that we'll be able to get them back on the car. We've just got our fake Cooper S back from the body shop, and here she is. So we've got our bumpers back from the body shop and ready to be fitted. Our LCI rear lights also ready to be fitted. Now you'll notice our roof is now black and very shiny, very pleased with that, and our bonnet is on and needs the trims, of course. We're waiting for the scoop to come back. That just needed another coat. So we also have these side details on. One thing that we do need to fix though is that the previous owner had really put a hard glue on this for the 1 badge. So Our choice is to basically respray this quarter because that won't come off easily, but I do have another solution. It's this sticker. So we'll rub that down so it's flush and put that sticker there, and that will just take the eye off that blemish. So we've got our car back and we finished it. Let's have a look. Got the black scoop on it, black grill. We put these back on, which came with the car if you remember. The surrounds around the lights. 17-inch rims. We've got our Cooper S decors on, black roof, and we've de-chromed the door handles. And around the back, if you remember, we had that blemish here, so we've covered that up. We've got the Cooper S bumper and the Cooper S exhaust. If you remember, the Cooper S exhaust had a resonator delete, so that makes it a bit throaty. Let me show you that. So even though it's only a 98 horsepower, it sounds pretty throaty, doesn't it? So what do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Do you think it's good, bad, waste of time? I love it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.